Okay, this is the PRI para-spinal release, and we can also get some hamstring activation and pelvic orientation work done here too. So we'll start with the para-spinal release. This is the low back muscles here where we want to get these to start turning off a little bit, let the compression at low back start to fade away a little bit. So what we need is a raised surface. You can use two 45-pound plates to place your hands on, or I have one here. You can use books, other things like that we can get a little bit of elevation. Our hips are going to be on the ground. We're going to start here. We're going to dig our heels into the ground. This should feel some hamstring activation there. We're also going to press up and pull our shoulders together into this position here. We're going to continue to dig those heels into the ground, and then I'm going to pull my pelvis underneath me like that. So I'm kind of coming out of this position here. I'm doing the exact opposite, pulling and tucking the pelvis underneath me. And then from here, we can just breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel the ribs come together. Hold that tension that's pulling the ribs down as you breathe back in through the nose. Now we can get some more pelvic orientation action here on one side by raising one foot, continuing to dig that heel into the ground that's on the floor, continuing to pull and tuck the pelvis underneath me, and then breathing from here. Or we can just continue having 2 feet on the floor, digging those heels down, pulling that pelvis underneath us, and just breathing from here. Again, helping to go from a shortened paraspinal position to elongated and breathing and hanging out there. Okay, go ahead, give it a shot.